I wake up at 6 a.m. My alarm goes off. I don't want to go out of bed. I feel very sleepy. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I get out slowly. I make my bed. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face. I use clean soap. I dry my face. I comb my hair. I look in mirror. I change my clothes. I fold my pajamas. I put on uniform. I feel fresh now. I go to kitchen. I drink some water. I eat my breakfast. I sit at table. I eat food calmly. I finish my meal. I clean my hands. I pack my bag. I check my books. I take my lunch box. I wear my bag. I hug my mother. I greet my father. We leave the house. I lock the door. My father drives me. We go to school. I watch the road. I see many cars. I sit quietly. I reach the school. I enter the gate. I meet my friends. We smile together. I walk to class. I sit on bench. I open my bag. I take my notebook. I wait for teacher. The bell rings loudly. Class time begins. I listen carefully. I follow the rules. I raise my hand. I answer politely. I read my lesson. I write neatly. I keep my books. I stay focused. I feel happy here. I help my friend. We share our ideas. I drink some water. I feel active now. I look at board. I copy the work. I sit straight. I keep quiet. I respect my teacher. I learn new things. I enjoy my class. I finish my work. I close my notebook. I pack my bag. I stand in line. I walk outside. I feel proud today. I love my school. I feel safe here. I wait calmly.